Alright, we're going to be testing a little water pump. It's in this tub here with red dye and water, and we're going to hook it up to turn on the power. Here's one battery, and can't even see it, but it's come to about here. That's one battery. Two batteries. You can see it's come up significantly higher. Three batteries. Almost to the top where the loop is. And four batteries, 6 volts. And we're going right over the top. I'll let it drain. There we go. Okay, now we're going to go to 12. So it's really going. That's it for the water pump. Now we're going to test what we call a piezo. This is the little device that makes the sound in your smoke alarm.